Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a tutorial on this matte teal look right here. I really like this look. When I look at it in the mirror, it's such a nice look, and I just thought I would share it with you guys, the tutorial that I did and how I got this look. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Now before we get on to the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below what you think of this look. My name is SimplyKrystelle, and let's get on to the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Dream Street palette by Kathleenlights and Colourpop, and I'm going to take Shooting Star, and I'm going to apply that as my transition shade. So right now I'm taking this orange shade in the shade Potion, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease area. I tried my best to get like a cat eye effect with the eyeshadow, but it didn't work out that way, but I tried really hard. If you guys have any tips on how to get like a cat eye with the eyeshadow, please let me know in the comment section down below. And now for the star of the show, I'm going to take Water Bearer, and I'm going to apply this shade all over my lid. I'm using a very flat eyeshadow brush to really get that precise application over my lids. And I actually forgot to put my NYX white jumbo eye pencil, so I went back with my jumbo eye pencil and then applied Axis from Anastasia, and then applied Water Bearer again. So now I'm going back in with that orange shade Potion. I'm just going to blend it out a little bit more because I wanted to intensify the orange and just kind of blend it in and blend out the edges, so that way the teal kind of blends in with the orange. So now I'm going to highlight my inner corners with the shade Mermaid Boy from the palette. And I thought that this shade would have been so beautiful to highlight because I was going to do like a gold or silver, but I was like, you know what, let me just highlight with this metallic-y blue, and I feel like it looks so much better that way. So I took the shade Potion and I'm just smudging that on my lower lash line. So now I'm going back in with Water Bearer, and I'm going to be smudging that on top of the Potion shade. So to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to be going in with Moony and just adding that extra oomph to my brows. And now moving on to my face, I'm going to be using the new Hourglass Vanish liquid, the liquid foundation in the shade Golden Almond. I got this sample from Sephora. Matched the foundation to me was because Jackie Aina uses this shade, and I typically wear the same shades she does, but for some reason on camera it's looking light, but as I wore it more throughout the day, it blended into my skin. So I know it looks a little light on camera, but it does match my skin tone. I'm also blending into my hairline because, you know, I'm wearing a wig, so I have to like blend it in as well. Now I'm going to be going in with my Fenty concealer in the shade 390. I'm going to be using that to highlight underneath my eyes, my chin, in between my eyebrows, and my nose. And now to set all of that in, I'm going to be using my Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in the shade Banana, just to set those areas. And now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild Photo Focus pressed powder in the shade Dark Cafe. I'm just going to use a big fluffy Real Techniques brush to just set the rest of my face. This powder gives me such a smooth and flawless look to my face. And now I'm just bronzing up my skin using Colourpop's Rodeo Dry. Now I'm going in with this Milani blush in the shade Rose Doro. And now for highlight, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Strobe Highlight in the shade Gold Addict. I've been loving this highlight so much. I think I'm going to go back and get more shades. I applied some falsies off camera. They were the Vegas Nay eyeliner falsies. I suck at them, so it took me like 30 minutes just to get them on. So now I'm going in with this Jonteblue lip liner in the shade Spice. On top of the lip liner, I'm applying the Milani lipstick in the shade Teddy Bear. And on top of that lipstick, I'm going to be applying the Buxomm Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Dolly. This is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe down below. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to give a comment down below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!